Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain about motion path manipulation and spatial interpolation. Let's begin! Let's start! The concepts of spatial interpolation and temporal interpolation are basically the same. If you understand the idea of temporal interpolation, you can easily understand spatial interpolation. Let's create a rectangle, set a motion path, and move it. Select the Rectangle tool. Make a rectangle shape. Set the playhead to the first time you move the rectangle and click this button. Advance the playhead position. You don't have to create a keyframe at this stage. Select the Selection tool. Move the rectangle to another position. When you move by dragging, the motion path is displayed. Keyframes are automatically created like this. As before, advance the playhead position and then drag the position of the shape to move it. The motion path is curved because the spatial interpolation is done by automatic Bezier. Check the method of spatial interpolation. Right-click on the keyframe. Automatic Bezier is selected from the spatial interpolation method. By holding down the Control key and clicking a keyframe on the program monitor, the spatial interpolation method alternates between curved Bezier and linear. When you play back with the spatial interpolation set to Bezier, the movement becomes smooth like this. This concludes the explanation of the motion path operation and spatial interpolation method. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.